Well, the obvious complication or problem with missing a tooth is that it affects how you smile. Even if it's a tooth towards the back, people don't smile as big as they normally would. That's a major concern for us. But beyond that, your body does some things to account for that tooth being gone. First of all, is your body always remodels the bone. Your bone in your body is a reserve of calcium and such, but it's also your skeletal system. And your body moves that bone around to where it needs it. Think of a cowboy's legs being bowed over time, and the cartoons, and you see all that. That's bone remodeling. And when a tooth is no longer in that place, your body's going to take bone away, which decreases your options in the future. If someone is going to be in a denture later in their lives and they've lost bone over a long period of time, it makes it more difficult for a denture to fit. So think about how the body is trying to deal with this. First of all, it's going to move bone away from the area. Secondly, it's going to lean other teeth into that area so they are touching something. If it's a back tooth, we'll say, guess what? It may not affect your smile immediately up front, but eventually, as teeth shift and move, front teeth will be affected. They'll begin to wear and chip and break. And it all begins with this cascade of losing a tooth halfway back or even in the back of your mouth. Bone is gone, teeth are shifting, your smile's affected, your jaw's affected, migraines, so on and so forth. So replacing a tooth in the back of someone's mouth may not seem like a major concern to the average person, but the big picture is it's very important. And implants are a fantastic option. We can give you basically a false root in there, a man-made root, and put a crown back on there that keeps bone in the area and keeps teeth from shifting around your mouth. They're a fantastic option, and sometimes they might sound a little scary. They're not. They're a wonderful option, and aside from what God gave you, your natural root structure, it's the best option you can have in there.